Algorand is actively testing the structure support that we talked about in last week's Algorand video. It looks like we got that 11% dump that we were looking at, and from here, where do we think Algorand is heading next? Before we get started, I want to let you know we have our Inner Circle Zoom Hangout this Thursday, April 27th, starting at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and that we'll be talking about where we think crypto is headed and open the call up to a Q&A session with the community. So if you want to join and hang out with us, be sure to grab a membership at the links in the description. With that, let's head into the video. Welcome to the Trade Confident website and our channel. I'm going to take you over to the Algorand metrics, and the very first metric we're going to look at is the Algorand Emotional Index. As of today, we have absolutely crashed down into fearful territory. We basically went from excited all the way down into fearful within a matter of a week. This is a drastic change, and if the price keeps dropping, I only expect emotional sentiment to become more and more fearful. Heading on down now to the Algorand volatility breakout detector, where we are seeing Algorand is still in high volatility territory. It's not quite as high as it was during this insane drop. However, based on the fact that we're still seeing jagged movements and a pretty strict drop down there, I can confidently say we are still feeling pretty highly volatile. Heading on next to the Algorand Whale Smart Money metric. Whales are still strongly within long trade sentiment, and I expect this to continue as long as the price drops. Whales are more likely to buy the dip because in crypto you're trying to buy low and sell high, and this is a whales game. We just got to play along with them, so we will be tracking the Algorand Whale Smart Money metric. Moving on now to the Algorand Major Support and Resistance Levels chart. The current structure support that we're actively testing is exactly 18 cents here, and at the time of screenshot we were at 18.03 cents. The next structure support after that, if we crash below, is 15.99 cents. I think we can just call that an easy 16 cents. So if we drop from here, the next structure support to look at will be the absolute bottom for this bear market, specifically for Algorand. However, if we begin moving back up, we need to be watching the 19.58 cent and 24.13 cent marks. Dropping on down now to the Algorand Daily Trade Scanner. We got a beautiful sell signal that resulted in a price drop in Algorand, and at this point all I'm waiting for is a buy or a strong buy signal, as we saw back here, in anticipation, if we post it right here, in anticipation of the next move up for Algo. Now if you're an Algorand trader, you're going to want to keep track of these metrics. The more that we're seeing are bullish, the more likely we are to see a move up. And on top of the Algorand metrics and the metrics across all 20 coins, you can get access to our Inner Circle Zoom meeting here. You're going to want to join us for that. You're going to get a ton of information. If you want to get access, you can grab your membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. And if you want to join us for that Thursday live Zoom call, you're going to want to grab the full access for $59 a month. You'll also get access to all 20 coins worth of metrics, scalping trade calls, future forecast videos, and more. If you want to join us for those, go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at Algo USD on the 1-day time frame. Just as a reminder, we have structure support at the 18 cent mark. Currently, the price is 18.89, just above that, and from here, it looks like we have rejected that structure support and could be moving on up. As a reminder again though, if we drop from this price, it's going to be a pretty straight shot to about 16 cents here. However, I do not think this is likely based on the fact that the trend exhaustion is in its bottom red section. Price versus well money flow is low and beginning to tick up based on the fact that the rest of the crypto market is green. And last but not least, the metrics that you just saw previously in this video were mostly bullish. Because of that, I do not think 16 cents is likely, but I do want everyone to be aware of it just in case. Instead, personally, with the price versus well money flow ticking up, and you know where well money goes, the price is likely to go too. I'm expecting moves up from here with the first structure resistance. Let me turn this red because it is now resistance. Boom. First structure resistance at 19.77 cents. After that, we have a super strong potential for a crazy move up here to the previous sell signal at 23.53 cents. In my personal opinion, though, we need to be watching that 19.77 cents very, very closely. That will be the next make or break for Algo. And if we do move up, I really do think a 23.53 cent straight shot up is the most likely. And if not, I think we're just going to crash straight back down. With that said, if it plays out as expected, we're going to be looking at a 4.64% move up, or an amazing, absolutely insane, nearly 25, a 24.47% move up to that 23.53 cent structure resistance. Now, if you're an Algorand trader, you need to be watching these indicators closely, especially the price versus while money flow here, as it's going to guide you through what whales are doing. And as I said previously, this is a whales game. You want to be on the winning side. So if you want to grab these indicators for up to $400 off right now, you can grab them at the links in the description down below. Just scroll down, click show more, and indicators will be the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page with over 4,000 downloads and counting. In order to get the best possible deal for all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators, all the ones you just saw me use, you're going to want to buy the bundle pack first, as this will come with a $400 off coupon. Let me show you how to get that. Just click this link. It'll bring you to the bundle and save package store page. This is valued at $2,241 and is sold for only $400. All you got to do is click I want this. Fill out your information here. I'm going to put in a fake zip code real quick. 12345. Boom. Click pay, and it'll give you an opportunity for the TEC top and bottom finder for only $349, despite the fact it is normally $749. This is that $400 discount offer. All you got to do is click add to cart, and you can get all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for cheaper than just the TEC top and bottom finder alone. Click pay, and from there, we hope to trade with you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Be on the lookout for 19.77 cents. And with that, trade safe, trade confident, and I hope to see you in the next video.